What I like best about this activity is its name, Watercraft Challenge. It does not imply that students need to create a boat or a raft or any specific type or shape of vehicle. The constraints for this activity are the materials that the students are given to work with. Each group of students, and I usually assign in groups of 2 or 3, will receive 10 straws, 12 inches of plastic wrap, 3 feet of masking tape, and a paper cup of some sort, usually around 8 ounces or possibly a little bit larger. And their criteria for success is their flotation device, their watercraft, will be able to hold and float 25 to 30 pennies. On day 1 of the challenge, I was really surprised the students focused mostly on creating rafts or simple, very tightly built flotation devices. And quite frankly, none of them worked. They weren't able to hold the required 25 to 30 pennies. As with all engineering projects in my class, I really want to focus the students' attention on the fact that engineering is not a one and done activity, that you design a vehicle, a watercraft, and if it doesn't work, then you look at the materials again and look at your design options and think of something new, think of a new design. So after day 1, we didn't have anything that worked, and when students came in on day 2, I had the supplies ready for them again so that they could build another watercraft. And this time I told them that, I had done some research on the internet and I found that there were groups of students who were not only able to get 25 to 30, but more like 50 to 60 pennies in their cup and allow that to float. So this time I saw my students create a larger based watercraft. So they did actually float. Not only did they float, they were fantastic. We had one group that actually added 246 pennies to their cup, and it still floated. It was just amazing that what the students discovered on their own, because I did not provide for them any additional instruction. I didn't say, oh my gosh, probably needs to be bigger, or you need to design it this way or that way. I really let the students work on constructing their own knowledge, their own ideas, and I was really pleasantly surprised by the results. This is a great little lab. And one other thing I wanted to mention, as I was looking through the video and watching, I noticed that our water is pretty rusty at our school. In fact, you can see the day 2, we use the same containers, and you can see the rust from our water has sort of settled down on the bottom of the bins that we use. And these are just the dish bins that you can buy at your local department store. So excuse the look of the water, please. Thanks.